We are Team E-cell.
That was kind of fast, right? Well, speed is the essence of what we do. We started in 2018 with a motto to grow beyond your limits.
E-cell is not just an organization, but it's a team where each individual contributes tremendously to its success with unique ideas and talents.
Our journey has been fast paced and dynamic, and we are just getting started. Our advisory board, a strong foundation of entrepreneurial leaders shaping a strong foundation.
Now we are launching innovative projects every semester. During tough times like lockdown, instead of slowing down, we grew.
We added new members, launched initiatives, and created impact. We forged powerful partnerships with leading e-cells by signing MOUs, such as Park Bennett University, MNIT Bhopal, and ABS EC.
In the past years, we have hosted masterclass and workshops and attended various student outreach programs across institutions like IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT BHU, and Bennett University.
But that wasn't enough. We launched our Startup Conclave back in 2019, a flagship event based on sustainable technology for Viksit Bharat, bringing together entrepreneurs to discuss sustainable solutions. A highlight of the fourth edition event was the guest, Mr. Ritesh Andre, also known as the Mumbai Dabbawala, who shared insights into their famously efficient logistics and delivery systems.
We also have our incubation center, now entitled as UC IMS Venture Foundation, led by Dr. Indrani Bhattacharjee and Mr. Vaibhav Matas, registered under Section 8, nurturing startups through a vibrant ecosystem.
We move fast, we adapt faster, and we don't stop evolving. How did we do it? Well, we don't just follow trends, we set them.
We started as a member, and now we lead the organization.
I am the visionary manager, guiding the team towards new heights.
We capture our story through visual and videos.
We are the creative minds, and we enhance our online presence.
We are the voices and script behind every event, keeping the audiences engaged.
We build connections and promote e-sales excellence.
We manage data to drive smarter decisions. Together, we form a powerful synergy, combining diverse skills to create impactful initiatives. We started small, but now we are a force to reckon with. We are growing fast, and so should you.